Hey, my friend, hey, listen very closely. So I've been promoting a Forex software called the Passive Guru Bot, which is my branded bot, my branded software. So this bot is a Forex automated hands-free software that that helps to grow your money compounded in your sleep. Okay, 24 hours a day, 5 days a week. And here recently, what I've done is I've let a few people test trial this bot for 30 days. Okay. The results have been astounding. Okay. The bot does anywhere from 1 to 3% compounded per month. And get this, it has over 12 features, which one of the main components on this bot is a safety feature. And that is the reason after almost 9 years now that we have not jeopardized or blown any account. So we have clients all over the world that is using this, that are satisfied with this bot. And let me tell you something, if you're not tapped into any entity that is growing your money, you're missing out on the wealth cycle. All right, so let me help you get started with this. Let me help you tap into something that can grow your money while you're doing your other things, while you're building your business. Maybe you're at your 9 to 5, on vacation, walking the dog, whatever you're doing. Let this work for you on the back end, okay? All right, so get with me. Unfortunately, by the way, the test trials are over. We're not taking any more testers. We've proven that this thing has been running, that works, and has been running for going on 9 years. So we have nothing else to prove. All right. So what I'm going to do now, I'm going to show you today this week's results. Okay, coming up, and then I'm going to let you hear a few unbiased testimonials from a few testers that tested the Guru Bot. All right. If you're ready to get started with us, get with me ASAP. Inbox me. Look me up on the social media. Whatever you're looking at this. What actually, I know what you're looking at this on, but hit me up. Inbox me. If you're on another platform, the information is probably going to be below the video. If you're on another platform, the information is probably going to be in the ad copy. Okay. So get with me ASAP. You got to have this in your life if you're trying to build long-term compounded passive income. All right. Check out these results and then listen to these testimonials. Hey, let's get busy. 2025 and beyond, this is the best thing going for hands-free, steady income. Okay, let's go.
I want to give a quick testimonial for the Passive Income Guru bot. It was very easy to set up. Did the 1 month trial. All I had to do was put some money on a broker and give my account number, and it was set up quick and easy. That was all I had to do. No other trading or analysis or anything needed. Completely hands off. After the month, it did really well. Made about 2.5% for that month, and then went ahead and bought the full bot, at which point didn't really need to do anything else. It is a completely hands-off system. Wonderful. I'd recommend it to anybody.
Hey everybody, Eric Kiesel here in Brick, New Jersey. I use the Passive Guru's Forex bot for the 30 days beta tester, and let me tell you everyone, the bot did exactly what it was supposed to do. Made me 3% in a month, completely hands-free, and drawdown, I don't think ever hit 1%. It was crazy. Drawdown was very minimal, and like I said, 3% gain in a month, and it compounds itself. So I recommend the bot to anybody. Get with Passive Guru and get your bot today. Have a good one, everybody.
Hey guys, Adrian here. I just want to give you a quick update on the Passive Income Guru EA software. I just started this thing maybe about 22 to 25 days ago. It hasn't even been 30 days, and I'm already in 2.5%, 3% profit with this software. I will highly recommend this if you are looking for extra income, or if you are even trying to start your own, like a side retirement plan. I will highly recommend you getting into this software. I can't wait to see what the future holds for it, and I appreciate it. Thank you.